My uncle has a weight problem, so he's cut down the amount of food he eats. My aunt has a heart problem, so she no longer eats processed food. Both of them have changed their diets, though for different reasons. But what is a diet? Diet simply means the kinds of food that a person eats every day. So whatever you eat every day is your diet. But whether what you eat is good for you or not is another question. Our diet is important as it helps us maintain or improve our overall health. But what is considered a healthy diet? Does it have to do with proportions or the kind of food we eat? Except for breast milk for babies, no single food contains all the essential nutrients the body needs to stay healthy and work properly. For this reason, our diets need to consist of a variety of different foods so that we get the wide range of nutrients, which include vitamins and minerals, that our bodies need. This is what we call a balanced diet. A balanced diet or a healthy diet can be defined as a diet that provides all the nutrients in the proper proportion. Are there any other factors that affect our diet? Let's take a closer look. 1. Age. Aging is linked to a variety of changes in the body, including muscle loss, thinner skin, and less stomach acid. Older adults may need fewer calories to maintain their weight. Therefore, their dietary requirements would be different from that of a teenager, for instance. Teenagers consume more food for energy because during the growing stages of the body, cells have a higher metabolic rate. Children, on the other hand, need more calcium and iron as their bones are still developing. In contrast, adults don't need as much calcium and iron in their diet. Even though older adults need fewer calories, they need just as high or even higher levels of some nutrients. For example, nutrients that become especially important as you age include protein, vitamin D, calcium, and vitamin B12. This is why it is very important for older people to eat a variety of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, fish, and lean meats. This helps them fight nutrient deficiencies without putting on weight. So, my aunt had to stop eating processed food since most processed food contains a lot of cholesterol. That is really bad for the heart because it clogs the arteries. 2. Gender. Muscle burns more calories than fat, so people with more muscle require more calories. Because women tend to be smaller and carry less muscle mass than men, their calorie needs are generally lower. The average-sized, moderately physically active 30-year-old female needs about 2,000 calories per day, while her male counterpart needs about 2,800 calories per day. Even if they were the same height and weight, the dietary reference intakes approximate that a man burns about 400 calories more per day than a woman. In many cases, women have higher vitamin and mineral needs than men. An adequate intake of calcium, iron, and folic acid are of special importance for women. Having said that, another important factor that plays a huge role in a balanced diet is number 3, activity level. A balanced diet aims to provide us with the right amount of energy, be it in calories or kilojoules from foods and drinks to maintain a balance of energy. Energy balance is achieved when calories taken in from the diet are equal to the calories used by the body. The calories we get from food are used to carry out everyday tasks such as walking or talking. Even functions of the body that we don't think about, like breathing, pumping blood around the body, and even thinking, use up calories. When we consume more calories than we need over a period of time, that's when we end up gaining weight. This is because extra calories we consume and don't use end up being stored as fat. So, a person's activity level makes a huge difference to their diet requirements. If you're someone who is inactive, like my uncle, then you don't need as much energy as someone who works in the fields every day or exercises like an athlete. This is why my uncle cut down on the amount of food he ate. So, today we learned that a balanced diet is key to good health, but that balance depends on your age, gender, and activity level.